Welcome to this tutorial for Cisco Cybervision. Let's have a look at the possibilities to update the software version of your center instance. Let's go step by step. Updating the software version of the Cybervision Center requires some preparatory steps. In relation to your center's current version, you will have to consider the target version for the update. You need to download the corresponding software package and plan for a good point in time to do the update. This planning is important, since updating your center implies a restart of the services. One very important topic to consider is the upgrade path and the version compatibilities. The release notes for every version of Cybervision will contain information about possible upgrade paths. You can access the release notes easily on cisco.com for the most recent product version. Please keep in mind that other components of the Cybervision solution require updates too. The knowledge database and the Cybervision sensors maintain their own versions and can be updated separately from the center. Please consider watching the tutorials on their update process too. To download the necessary software to update your center, please navigate to software.cisco.com, log in, and search for Cybervision. Look for the Update section for Cybervision and select the appropriate version to which you would like to update your center to. Select and download the center update on the right-hand side. Now log into your center and click on the Admin menu item. On the right-hand side, you can see the current center version being used. Click on the System Update button and provide the file you downloaded previously. The update procedure includes the upload of the file, as well as its installation. This process will take some time to complete, and you will be provided with updates of the process and status in your browser. Once the update has completed, you will be automatically redirected to the login screen. Log in and navigate to the admin page. Please confirm the new and updated software version. As an alternative to update your center via its administration UI, you can also run the update process from the command line. To do so, please log in to your center VM using Secure Shell, and copy the update file you downloaded previously to your center. Use the SBS update command to initiate the process. You will be informed about the progress just like you have been informed when updating via the UI. Thank you for watching this tutorial about updating your Cybervision Center software version.